Dive into the world of underwater innovation with our latest showcase. From revolutionary scuba diving systems to high-tech underwater gadgets, we're exploring cutting-edge technologies that are redefining aquatic adventures. Join us as we uncover the tools and technologies that make underwater exploration safer, more accessible, and more exciting than ever before. Super Hookah. Super Hookah offers a revolutionary take on scuba diving with its air supply system that floats on the surface, eliminating the need for cylinders on your back. With the convenience of removable batteries, divers can explore depths of up to 10 meters and spend 2 hours underwater. Priced at $700, it's compact enough to fit into a small suitcase, meeting hand luggage requirements for major airlines, and includes USB ports for charging devices. Magic Jet. The Magic Jet is a powerful underwater scooter that boasts compactness and maneuverability. Weighing 3.6 kilograms, it can be easily handled with one hand and reaches depths at 1.8 meters per second. With a full charge, lasting 100 minutes, it offers extended underwater adventures. Priced at $800, it's ideal for diving enthusiasts seeking premium underwater exploration. Underwater Tour. The Underwater Tour offers an accessible and memorable underwater experience for individuals of all ages, with no diving skills required. Participants can walk underwater in various locations worldwide, typically lasting around 25 minutes. With professional operators available, safety is ensured, and lasting memories are created. Prices start at $79 per person, providing a unique perspective of underwater environments. Dark fin gloves. Dark fin giraffin gloves are popular among divers and kayakers for their meticulous design, offering enhanced grip and durability. With improved thermal insulation and comfort, they're ideal for long spearfishing trips. Priced at $37, they provide excellent value for underwater enthusiasts seeking increased performance and comfort. Subwing. The Subwing offers a thrilling underwater flying experience. Its two movable wings are attached to a boat by a cable. With optimal speed and maneuverability, it provides an exhilarating ride, perfect for capturing unforgettable underwater moments. Priced at $200, it's a must-have for adventurers seeking unique aquatic experiences. SAR Shark Repellent. SAR is the world's first portable electronic shark repellent, effective at depths of up to 100 meters. Its electromagnetic field causes muscle spasms in sharks, providing peace of mind for underwater explorers. Priced at $300, it's a valuable safety tool for those venturing into shark-populated waters. Orion Platform. The Orion platform offers a versatile underwater solution, enabling users to take their tablets to depths of up to 60 meters with the DPX-1 shield case. Compatible with various hardware and software, it enhances underwater tasks such as monitoring vital signs and aiding in 3D modeling. Its adaptability makes it a valuable asset for underwater professionals. Priced at $249, it provides advanced functionality for underwater research and exploration. Oxum Smart Diving Mask. The Oxum Smart Diving Mask is a groundbreaking innovation that combines a mask with two electronic modules to track vital diving data. It monitors parameters such as depth, ascending and descending speed, oxygen levels, heart rate, and head tilt, communicating this information to the diver via bone conduction technology. Priced at $540, it's the first bright mask on the market, offering unparalleled insights for freediving enthusiasts. Snorkel Underwater Breathing Device. The Snorkel tank revolutionizes underwater exploration by enabling users to breathe underwater for 10 minutes. Compact and easy to use, it's ideal for beginners curious about scuba diving without heavy investment. With a hand pump for air refills and a maximum depth of 3 meters, it offers convenience and accessibility. Priced at $200, it's a must-have for underwater adventurers. Pathos Laser Evo Spear Guns. The Pathos Laser Evo Spear Guns are designed for both beginner-friendly use and impressive performance for experienced hunters. Featuring a longer stock for enhanced comfort and a smoother trigger mechanism, they ensure precision and power in underwater hunting. Priced at $187, they offer exceptional value for avid spearfishing enthusiasts. Ocean Guardian Freedom 7 Shark Repellent. The Ocean Guardian Freedom 7 is a versatile shark repellent suitable for various water activities like kayaking and snorkeling. With a range of about 6 meters and a battery life of up to 6 hours, it offers reliable protection without bothering other fish. Priced at $414, it provides peace of mind for underwater adventurers in shark-populated waters. CVIEW V3 Full-Face Snorkeling Mask. The CVIEW V3 Full-Face Snorkeling Mask offers a panoramic 180 degrees view and prioritizes comfort and functionality for snorkelers. Featuring a one-way valve for water drainage and medical-grade silicone, it ensures a comfortable and enjoyable snorkeling experience. Priced at $60, it's a budget-friendly option for underwater enthusiasts. Ocean Wings Neoprene Suit. The Ocean Wings Neoprene Suit combines the thrill of wingsuits with aquatic exploration, offering a unique garment for underwater adventurers. With its sleek design and optimal performance, it's perfect for free divers seeking unparalleled freedom and style underwater. Priced at $1 TBD, it's a must-have for those pushing the boundaries of underwater exploration. ExoLung Endless Breathing Device. The ExoLung Endless Breathing Device revolutionizes diving by providing continuous air supply without relying on external energy sources. It utilizes the swimmer's movement and a small buoy on the surface to allow effortless breathing underwater. With a hose length of 16 feet, divers can resurface quickly in case of emergency. Weighing only 7.7 pounds, it's portable and convenient for underwater exploration. Dive Portable Lungs. Dive Portable Lungs offers a compact diving kit that fits into a backpack. It includes a pump and an oxygen cylinder. With enough oxygen to last approximately half an hour underwater, it's ideal for exploring lakes, rivers, or coastal seas. Perfect for golf ball divers retrieving lost balls from deep reservoirs, its refillable cylinder ensures continuous use for extended underwater activities. Waterproof Smartphone Case. The waterproof smartphone case protects smartphones underwater, allowing users to capture photos and videos while diving. Its tactile-friendly material and compatibility with touchscreen functions ensure ease of use even in aquatic environments. While Touch ID functionality may be limited, it offers comprehensive protection for smartphones during underwater adventures. Ocean Space Habitat. The Ocean Space Habitat offers a portable life support system for divers, providing a dry and protected space underwater. With multiple chambers for divers to rest, eat, and work, it ensures safety and comfort during extended underwater stays. Designed for scientific research or recreational purposes, it's a versatile solution for underwater exploration and habitat creation. Nemo's Garden Underwater Biospheres. Nemo's Garden presents a collection of transparent spheres forming an underwater garden for living without surface food. Each biosphere functions as a self-contained environment, supporting plant growth, with the central tree of life providing energy and managing the cultivation system. Despite its unique conditions, the plants thrive, offering nutrient-rich produce. This innovative concept blurs the line between underwater and surface living, offering a sustainable and fascinating living experience. SeaTrek Underwater Walking System. SeaTrek revolutionizes underwater exploration by offering a walking system that provides a continuous oxygen supply. With options for centralized air centers or personal cylinders, users can stroll underwater without worrying about running out of air. Featuring durable polycarbonate helmets with adjustable shoulder pads and built-in weights for stability, SeaTrek ensures comfort and safety for extended underwater excursions. Underwater Bedroom at the Aquarium de Paris. The underwater bedroom offers a unique overnight experience within the Aquarium de Paris, providing a 360-degree view of the surrounding waters. Despite the thrill of staying underwater surrounded by marine life, it's intended for short-term stays due to the presence of sharp-toothed predators. While not suitable for extended independent living, it offers a memorable and exhilarating underwater experience for adventurous guests. Jules Undersea Lodge. Jules Undersea Lodge offers an unforgettable underwater living experience, providing accommodation within a former scientific station converted into a hotel. With a retro interior design reminiscent of the 80s and 90s, guests can enjoy panoramic views of marine life through 42-inch windows. While blurring the line between underwater and surface living, it offers a unique and immersive stay, surrounded by the wonders of the sea. AirBuddy. AirBuddy revolutionizes underwater exploration by providing a continuous oxygen supply directly from the surface. Similar to a personal float, it incorporates a motor and a breathing tube connected to a compressor located on the water's surface. The compressor draws in air and delivers it to the user via a duct, allowing for dives of up to 45 minutes at depths of up to 39 feet. Equipped with a built-in battery charge level monitor and audible alarm, AirBuddy ensures safety and convenience for underwater adventurers. While not yet suitable for full-time underwater living, it represents a significant advancement in extending dive times. Underwater Room at Zanzibar Villa. Located off the coast of Zanzibar, this villa offers a unique underwater living experience with a room submerged 13 feet beneath the water's surface. Furnished with a comfortable double bed and surrounded by large windows providing a 360-degree view of the underwater world, the underwater room promises an unforgettable and mesmerizing stay. With amenities for relaxation and observation of marine life, it offers a tranquil escape immersed in the beauty of the ocean. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of underwater innovation. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a curious explorer, we hope you've been inspired by the incredible S featured in this showcase. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Wizard for more content on the latest trends and innovations. Until next time, happy exploring beneath the waves.